Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I am going to show you how you can easily remove the background of any video without green screen in Filmora 12. So first of all, you need to add the video in your timeline here. I am going to add the stock media footage here, as I am going to add this one. Here you can see. Then I need to double click on it and then go to AI tools. Scroll down a little and here you can see smart cutout option. You need to enable it. Then click to start smart cutout. Here you will see the three options. First is the pen, second eraser, hands, and you need to click on this pencil icon and select your subject here. Here you can see Filmora have easily highlighted your subject here. You can check its transparency by this one. You can add the black color in it and alpha in this one. So if I click on this transparency grid, you can also change the brush size, edge thickness, edge feather, white. Then I click to start smart cutout. Here you can see tracking processing. You need to wait a little bit. You can see processing has done. Then click on this save button and click on this OK. Then you can add any of your desired picture or any of the video which you want to add in this subject. If I add this one, here you can see it look like this one. So this is very amazing function, very amazing feature. The video editing is so smooth, so fine. You can see the background is removed easily with very fine quality. So if you guys enjoyed the video, hit the like button, comment down below if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one.